Hello everyone. Today's program write a C program for swapping of two numbers. Okay. So basically, first of all, the meaning of swapping. Okay. Swapping means what? Like if I say two variables A and B. Okay. So if I say A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6, initial value. So when it comes to swapping, what exactly I want is I want value of B in A and value of A in B. That means we are swapping these two numbers. Okay. So first of all, hash include stdio.h and hash include conno.h, two header files for this. After that, void main function and open the bracket. So for this program, we will require total three variables, and therefore we have declared three different variables like A, B, and C. So first of all, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. That is nothing but the initial value which we are giving to these two variables, like A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. So at the end, what exactly output which we want is A is equal to 6, that is B's value, and B is equal to 5, that is A's value. Okay, that is actually what we want. So first of all, we are going to print before swapping this two value as it is only, that is printf A and printf B. That's it. Okay. So now here comes the logic part. So first of all, C is equal to A means whatever is there in A, it will get copied into which variable? C. So right now at this point C is equal to 5 because value of A is 5. Okay, that means I am talking about this first line. C is equal to 5. Now next line, A is equal to B means what? Whatever is there in B, it will get copied into which variable? A. So at this point, A will be equal to what? 6. Okay. And last thing, B is equal to C means what? Whatever is there in C, it will get copied into which variable? B. We know in C, the value is 5. So B is equal to what? 5. And then printf after swapping the statement which we are printing as it is on the output screen, and then again printf A and printf B, these two statement again. So here is the output. So before swapping the numbers are 5 and 6, and after swapping the numbers are 6 and 5. Thank you.